Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the AR Stakeout with the GeoMeasure LUX. Now, I've already connected up to my receiver, but what I'm going to do here to begin is head over to my survey screen. I'm going to click on Point Stakeout, and now I'm going to have to add some points to my database that will be staked. So what I'm going to do here is click on Library, because I already have some points that I've imported into this project here. Now, I can either select all the points by clicking at the top of the menu here, or I can individually select them. Regardless, once I have the points selected here, I'm going to click on OK. And now to begin my stakeout here, I can click on a point from the menu and click on OK. Now that I'm on my map screen here, one, I'm going to want to make sure that I have the proper HI, but two, what I'm going to do is you can see here that I have an arrow from where I'm standing to where I'm going to go. Now, there is a handy AR button on the left side of the screen here, and if I click that, what's going to happen is it's going to show on my data collector here a live video feed of the receiver and show you the direction that you need to travel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow my line all the way to the point here, and once I arrive on the point, it's going to have this blue circle showing me roughly where I need to get it, and then once I'm perfectly in tolerance, what will happen is the light will turn green, indicating that I'm ready to store my stake point or pound my stake or do whatever else I so desire. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the AR Stakeout inside of GeoMeasures Survey Crew to stake out your points. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at bench-spark.ca.